welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. So, welcome to another unboxing video. So for this week, we are gonna unbox this massive box in front of me from CUISINART. In today's home, karamihan sa atin, we have air fryers that we use for everyday cooking. We already have one, an old one. It's from Aldi that we bought. I think it's around 4 liters. I decided to get this kasi, as you can see, it's big. And kasi we use the air fryer every day, especially my husband when he's cooking. Today, I'm gonna unbox this for you. This is the CUISINART Express Oven Air Fry. Let's start the unboxing. Now this air fryer, it's 17 liters. So can you imagine, from 4 liters, as I said, yung galing sa Aldi na air fryer, to this 17 liters air fryer. Oh my god, it's so big. I don't know, I'm gonna need help in unboxing this. Let me just get someone to help me. I'll be back. So here we are, na-unbox na siya. Medyo mabigat talaga siya. Tanggalin lang natin tong styro. Now, kasama sa box is the manual. So this is called the CUISINART Express Oven Air Fry. And may recipe book siya sa likod. So, which is good, especially when you don't know how to cook like me. That's a great help. May mga kasama rin siyang attachment, and I will show this. Take this off. I know yung air fryer namin from Aldi, hindi lang yung husband ko ang gumagamit. Even my kids. So they were excited when this came today. Now, I'm gonna show this to you one by one. It came with a baking or drip pan. This, the grill rack. Nice. And the most important bit is the air fry basket. Look at this. You can fit a bag of chips in here. Now, what is this? Now, this is just a reference guide para magamit nyo to. Now, this, we'll open it. Oh, it's so new. I like it. Let's remove this plastic. Ang bigat niya. Finally, I was able to remove the plastic. Now here it is, our new CUISINART oven air fryer. So here we have it, guys, the CUISINART Express Oven Air Fry. Again, this is 17 liters. It has multifunction, so you can air fry, you can roast, you can bake, you can make pizza, grill, slow cook. You can also dehydrate your fruits or vegetable with this. You can proof your bread, you can toast, reheat, make your crumpets, and warm your food. So again, that is the reason why we love this so much. That's why we wanted to get this air fry oven, because of its functionality. Again, this has digital controls, if you can see at the front. It has a separate air fry function and a separate dual cook function. Now, this retails again in Meijer for $450. If you are in the Philippines, kung naghahanap kayo ng something similar, I found one sa Shopee. It's model TOA 60XA. Hindi siya digital. It is the manual one, yung may knob sa harap. Lahat ng controls niya may knob. But I think it's the same size, 17 liters. The only difference is the controls. Don't worry, I'm gonna link it down below. I just forget the price of how much it is dun sa Shopee, but I will link the website below, so this is the description box, even the Myers website. So if you want this, you can go ahead and just, you know, click that link. Again, this is just a quick unboxing and first impression of the CUISINART Express Oven Air Fry. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Again, put a thumbs up if you like this video, and share this to your family and friends. And leave a comment down on the comment section below if you have any more suggestions on what you want to see and what you want me to unbox. And yeah, that's it. I'm so happy. I'm so glad to have this. We'll see you guys in the next unboxing video. Bye!